up to the time, you see it, you know, it's Jada Talks, you know, mad thing, you know, do a bag of things on this channel, yeah.
So they are represent for the big bad Jada Talks. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Alright, what go on, people? Today I do a little makeup.
Subscribers, you know the thing today we're gonna do a little makeup thing, you see it? So just tune in and see what go on. So we're gonna start it off with what is baby skin something. You see it? Rub on this, what this now look like?
Some type of ointment, because that don't look like cream. So
We do the makeup, it looks smooth, you know, look natural. If wonder if a natural skin that
It's kinda clear like Neprozone gel. But you just rub it in, isn't it? Rub in. I'm not really see what this do for your stills, but oh, you know, baby skin, so I guess, you know, probably just get a look a smooth thing.
you know, we're gonna just, you know, brush in your eyebrows.
so the next thing are the brush off with the eyebrow, not the earline. You realize the mama got a nice little African turban.
Wait, hold on, why we have draw eyebrow and why they have eyebrow? But I guess this have to just fill in the little spaces in between, you know, cause we don't really have so much ear or grow them part there, you know, so we have to make it look uniform, is it?
You know, you go ahead and you brush it out. See, it's like you're giving yourself some eyebrows that you never had.
Pro conceal. Mad. So we gotta go apply the pro conceal.
Paintbrush, you know, your mini paintbrush, and you go ahead and inline your eyebrow, not all.
So is this pro conceal, but it'll make the eyebrow show more. You're not supposed to conceal it. Yeah, them so many make no sense in it, but alright. We're about the pro conceal, you know, for kinda just make the eyebrows kinda pop certain way, you know. Yeah, I kinda hide my face coming on to see what I got, but alright, yeah. So one eye we have. Oh, so we are do the next one. Yeah. Do the next one. So you know that one I go just, you know, pop out like bread out a toaster. Anyways,
Even it
yeah,
out.
rub it. Is it? Make the thing look. Half a look half a mask. Them way there. We're gonna brush it out. Yeah.
See the unibrow on this way, if you catch it in. So may I tell you? Blend it in now.
Or more. Anyways, I blend it in. You blend up. Is it? Like a blender. Rub in that on them some.
The brows, you know, and she give her face a little light. Anyway, so the next thing next, you take a little palm and you drop on to dust, because I don't know what that, honestly.
Rub on now. Like another shade. Get kind of one, you know, that little thing that them always do over them eye. I don't know if I describe it. But you know that little thing they have to make sure say it have a little different color, say eyelids pop. You get me? Yeah, rub it on and thing. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, after we do that now, what we do now? Well, we still dip on the eyes. Rub on the next shade, I want different something. Why?
I guess wow, chocolate skin. Alright, so yeah, we apply that just under the eyebrows, look more natural, look dark and natural. I don't know, you know, have your makeup and it look, you know, you want it look natural and beautiful.
No, man, I mean, everything me passing about this look like a black eye, like somebody licking a
And you know, it kind of, you know, like it black and blue and it a heel and them sitting there. But
yeah, so you evenly use over the next eye as well, as I say, even
with
it
on,
out.
this them call mascara or something like so. I think so, you know. Some supposed to hide them call Jesus, peas and
I apply this, I would say mousse and a mascara that
Reddish tone to it. So she get her eyeshadow and even brighten that reddish tone. This girl is a genius.
give a little more, you know, oomph to the makeup.
See? girl popping. Nonetheless, she's popping. And she got more shit. This shit ain't normal.
No, sir. How would you say about your face now? Nutella. You look like Nutella. Or no, sir, fam. What about this?
Is fit me matte. Alright, so you don't know, yes, so the real makeup starts, You have to do this properly, Cause if you get that part right, then not work, So we just apply some in the areas where needed.
Man. Anyways, it look like she put on an entire different mask. She not touch the eyebrows and all people pay attention. So apparently she is a evening out her tone.
Put it down, look good for your crown. Put it down. Alright, yeah. So I put it down here. Yeah, so it a blend in. Let me tell you, a key thing to make up to blend the tea.
Yeah.
Chocolate skin. Watch it now, man. I ensure, guys, that's one key thing to ensure say you get the right color for your skin. Color them call it
blend up. I think this year I supposed to this them call blending though. Yeah, lift up the eardrop and them something. Back to the eyes again, no sir. Alright, so we are rubbing something else under the eye now, kinda like a face mask thing, like where you see them African tribe people they wear apparently. So rub on that, and cheese and pizza mustache and goatee. Basic. So them something a woman do when them do makeup. Mustache and wait, hold on, what is? You have a jaw and nose. Yeah man, it look like face paint, man,
Break time, guys. Just pausing before loving belly. Oh, what up, man? Mojito.
Take a look of breathe and drink up on, what I look a refresher. Yeah, take a sip, fancy strawberry.
going back to that sponge. I think that is a key thing for every girl have. That little sponge something there. Yeah, man, it valuable, man. I tell you.
Yes, makeup a sorcery. Because some things I'm assuming to do to the face and then the outcome.
Look when she do the nose, or the nose I go look away.
So now it kinda make you give your face a look of, what you call it, a look lighter pop in the central part of your face, that's alright.
That thing I just give a little effect. You see? Alright, watch now. You see? Only upon the bridge alone she apply it, What this now we apply? Alright. You see that now? I forget the jawbones, Don't laugh at it, yo. Alright.
Yeah man, it look like one beard she a draw, one look a beard line this one. So you just put see there. See me I show you a line, she a line up from. A line
Like brown, white out. I can't even put that, I don't even know, brown out.
to make them. Me not see them right now, so me don't know what she really a blend, cause and I like me I see nothing for blend out, you see it, cause nothing much never really did in the first place. But I go and take in the vids. I really give them a fight certain way,
Yeah, actually it work. See, tell your mama under her vibes, my mama know what she a done.
Cheese here under the eye. Ensure that it, blend. So skin.
See it there? It kinda get a look of middle part of your face, so I look a shine. You see it? Even though I not really see the beard part I should draw earlier. I not see where that gone right now because it's missing in action.
Make you look like you have two bottom lip. Yeah, I forgot fix that part there, Yeah man, so she even it out and she get it well done.
Alright. Mm. Alright, so me tell you, if you never notice, you see right at the eyebrow, come down to nose, you have a little lighter look right there. So I notice, you have a little lighter look. And also right there, so the jaw, cheekbones them there. Just a little lighter look. I tell you, it's just an effect, you know. Some people now have them effect, and you have to catch them effect, you see it. You have to get, watch it now. Watch your effect, you know.
Coming soon to a store near you. Coming soon. Robot. Bag of things. You know, so good there. Yeah, going robot. Look, enough look a thing the our face right now we need for robot properly. Properly. But you know, definitely, we're gonna do all of that. So you know? Alright, robot. That's such a style, man. That's such a style. Rub. Yeah, you know, kind of look like, say, you know, when you shove up him out like you say, yo, look on that video over there, so. Kind of look like a that shadow, say, yo, look over there, so, on that. You know, Jamaican stay already, you know, when they say, yo. Anyway, see, the robot look a bit better, you know, and you know the thing go. Everything robot, you know, so. Supposed to almost reach the finishing touches. You have to give a jawline around the so. You see the look jawline cause that important cause you know you have to give them the look tire banks and them look model vibes there, so you know you have to have certain things popping, you know your jawbone have to pop in. You see it there. And you look a cheekbone.
So we'll just apply the powder thing here. Also to give an effect on the nose. I think just to make a nose look straighter, I think it was. Alright, so right between the eyes right there, it makes it look, I don't know what's the name for it, but
But I'm made still, you know, no keep up with all of them look detailing and look something like a jaja. But anyways, back to the vids.
Because you don't know, detail is a must. So I guess it's a detail brush.
Is right so. Go on a cheekbone again. Oh, it look like we're on some shine something. What that? Hold on there, man. Oh, it look like something. Like we're on something where shine really.
So that cheekbone and there's a glisten. See there?
now this now are the seal team.
Right here, you know, we have a spray on the look oil spray. This look like, cause you know it again a look sweat look there like you just done do some exercise. You have to cool it down like spice. Cool it down, cause we just done exercise. So you know that spray that kind of make it look like we're about to sweat.
You know you have to wipe off lips and choose another makeup and dip on it.
So I guess so I guess you're gonna make up the lip.
So we line up our lips first now. Key thing first to do. Line it out.
Alright. So draw on a lip now, cause it no look like God did give you a perfectly good lip, you know. So we have to draw on a fake lip, you see, Rasta.
Yeah, rub it in. Alright, so we apply this now, like a glossy look.
For this now we are gonna rub on again on the lip. This look like lip gloss. Every man post to know this right, you know, but like any man who watch this video or anybody watches a video and know about lip gloss thing. Them for just go out them bed. Cause everybody know about lip gloss. Yeah man, you know you have to rub it on and
Yeah, we can work with that. We apply again I know. I was trying to see. Anyways. Yeah.
what is now? What is again? More something on the lip. More something on the lip.
What apply mascara and I think forget deaf we have it same way man. Yeah, the mascara, the full package you have today.
Her lower lashes. Yeah, she's not leaving off her lower lashes, she's also highlighting them. As I said, this girl is all about evening and
If
detailed.
make it look presentable, you know, cause no one to go to the road, man, can look down and say, oh, baby girl, come over here, son, man. Yeah, you know, have a look of buzz, yeah. Anyways, boom bang now, look like we kind of done. We have to take out and frazzle up with ear certain way and make it look like, you know, we're done with the final, you know. Make it look now. See what I go on. Edges are going still, my friend, but
Boy, you full attitude, so. Eh.
Them clean down, my friend. Get them.
finished product. Boom, watch it. Oh God. Yeah man, like, comment, subscribe, look more. You see it, I'm out.